How to use a TikTok template in Capcut. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your TikTok templates in your Capcut application. So make sure that you have downloaded both the TikTok app and your Capcut app. Now let's go ahead and open up our TikTok. Here, make sure that you are logged into your specific TikTok account. Now go ahead and tap on the search icon on your top right and search for Capcut template. It will show you all the top Capcut templates that has been used in TikTok. If not, you can just go ahead and search for Capcut itself. Under Users tab, it will show you the official account of Capcut. Here, choose any video that you would like to use as your template. Then tap on Try this template under Capcut. Tap on Use template in Capcut. Then it will open up your gallery section. From here, choose any photos or videos that you would like to add. As you select your videos or photos that you would like to add as a template, it will show you what it will look like once you have exported that item. If you are satisfied with this, tap on Export on your top right and tap on Export without the watermark. Now after you do so, automatically it will switch it to your TikTok account. At this page, simply type in your caption, and once you're satisfied, tap on Post. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.